Good morning, plumbers. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And today we're going to take a look inside a sewer line. And why is it backing up? And what are the causes? If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing and follow this journey as I train my two sons the plumbing trade. Going to be a long journey, but well worth it because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. And for all you locals out there, we have a greenhead in here. You hear him? South Jersey greenhead. This joker will put a bite on you and make you wish you knew he was there. It's gonna be a long night there, little feller. Let's get him out of here, folks. Let's go.
Okay, we're 10 feet in right now.
Nothing showing on the city side?
No. Just got some grease and stuff on the sides. Set at 45. Been hitting that.
Cast iron. Or cement, grout, whatever, grease. Paper towels. Baby wipes. Now, it's kind of funny. Go ahead, keep going.
33.
We're all the way in the house and it ain't going down. That tells me. Go ahead, keep going. We'll go listen. Oh, what's that? What is that? Listen, man, I'm going to plunge the toilet in there with the curb plunger.
Alright.
So that's a 4-inch line in there, alright, or 3-inch?
What is that?
Now?
A little more. It didn't really move. Oh, no. It came like overflowing on the sides a little bit, but the whole thing didn't.
In the tub now.
Yeah, it's like overflowing a little bit underneath.
Oh, is that the spot?
Yeah, it's gonna be the blockage.
Okay. All right. 39 feet in.
Like 2 feet down.
I'm going to run the flex machine from inside. Alright?
Where could you think?
You can shut that down for now.
Alright.
Alright, turn it off so we don't waste battery. Because that might be the spot. Go ahead, you do that. I'm going to go in here. I want to see if I hear you dragging it.
So I'm coming back now. 22.
Stay right there. I'm gonna go with the flex.
Alright.
Okay.
As I say, I just got on dark. I can't. Oh. Oh, look at that. It's coming with me.
Can you pull it?
That was crazy.
Here it comes. Here it comes. Come on, Daddy. It's a big grease ball. That's what that is. You can see the words going down now, okay? Let me see your screwdriver too. Hold on. Set this on here. There you have it, folks. Couple solutions we're going to give them, and I don't know about you plumbers out there, but I love me some drain work. If you have any suggestions what should happen here, put in the comments below, and I look forward to chit-chatting with you. And best of all, there will be another satisfied customer. Have a great day, and we'll see you at the next one, folks.